Hey guys, here's how to make our favorite chopped salad, and here's what you'll need. 1 head of iceberg lettuce, 2 small cucumbers, 1 avocado, 12 cherry tomatoes, pepperoncini, 1 can of garbanzo beans, and shredded mozzarella cheese. The first thing you want to do is chop up all of your lettuce. Salad. Next, you want to dice up your cucumbers. You want to make sure to chop them into small pieces.
Got cucumber juice in my eye.
Yeah, don't do that. Next, dice up your tomatoes. Next, you want to dice up your pepperoncini into small pieces. It took me about 4 peppers, or you can measure by using 1/3 of a cup. Then strain a 15-ounce can of garbanzo beans. And set aside a 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese. Now time for the dressing. I used 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of lemon juice. This took about 1 lemon.
I ate a lemon. It's really sour.
Next, I added 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. This is equal to about 1 garlic clove. Now I add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Add a little salt and a little pepper, and then mix it all up. Now time to combine it all together. Right before you eat the salad, add the dressing and toss it all together. Also add your avocado right before you eat it so that it doesn't turn brown. Then I gave it a gentle stir, being sure not to mush up the avocado. And then you have your chopped salad. This recipe was from Cupcakes and Cashmere, and we hope you like it just as much as we do. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you all next time. Bye!